Welcome back, everybody. Millions of Texans will begin traveling this weekend to spend the holiday season with their loved ones, hopefully. With more people on the move, though, experts say that could mean more germs are going to be circulating. For instance, there is a new flu variant surging in the UK, Canada, and Japan. And right here locally, Austin Public Health has shared that it's warning that cases of pertussis, also known as the whooping cough, are on the rise. Here to provide some more context and best practices is Dr. Nida Zakiullah with Baylor Scott White. Welcome to our show, and thank you so much for being here. We appreciate you taking the time.
Thanks for having me.
So let's start with the whooping cough, because that's a big concern for parents out there. We've seen a number of those cases among particularly younger kids out there. So why do you think it's risen so much at this point?
So whooping cough is the common name for a bacterial infection called pertussis. It's recently been rising mainly because we've had fewer people vaccinating against whooping cough than we've had in the past. So with declining vaccinations, we are noticing a surge in cases this year.
Okay, and I guess the best protection for people out there would be to get vaccinated.
Absolutely. Kids are required to start vaccinating at 2 months of age and beyond. So kids younger than two months are the ones that are the most susceptible to getting infections just because they haven't been vaccinated yet.
Right. And just to turn the page a little bit, because we want to cover some other topics with you, what about this new flu variant? I believe it's called subclade K.
That's right.
What can you tell us about that, and has it made its way here to the U.S.?
So this is a great question. Subclade K is a type of the flu A virus. So in every season for the flu, there's various strains that are circulating in the community. Subclade K is one that's recently started increasing. It's one of the flu A viruses.
Okay, so that's just something for people to be aware of and to try to protect themselves from too. So also during the holidays, a lot of people eat things that maybe they normally wouldn't, or even drink in some cases too. So what can that do about the chances of getting sick if you're enjoying maybe a little bit too much?
So the thing with holiday foods is most of them are high carb, high sugar, or you're drinking alcohol. Most of these foods and drinks tend to lower your immunity by affecting your gut microbiome, which are the bacteria in your gut that keep the balance and help you digest food and help your immune system. So if you have a little too much, then it can suppress your immune system and make you more prone to getting infections. And
finally, for the question for you is, what's the best way to protect ourselves? Because I know nobody wants to get sick when they're getting together and having fun with their loved ones.
For the infectious diseases, things like the flu, things like whooping cough, the best thing to do is make sure that you're up to date on your vaccinations. Most of your doctor, if you go to your doctor's office, they're going to have those vaccines available. BSW also has vaccines available at the doctor's office, and you can even go online on their app and just schedule an appointment.
Pretty simple. All right, well, we hope you have happy holidays as well, and thanks again for joining us here today. We appreciate it.
Happy holidays.